Alrighty, so got a few things here. We had a few questions, so I'm going to try and do this in parts and just go over this real quick before we get into taking apart the lighter. The tools you're going to need Phillips, and it's right there, Phillips 00, right there. That's what you're going to need. That's what that one is right there, a Phillips 00. And that to purge it, and you need something like a knife that's going to be flat to like deal with some of the parts and stuff like that inside the lighter. Now the reason you don't want to get something like this is this Phillips head, when you're trying to get down into the deepest parts here where that hole is really deep, these things have a tendency to get cut off. They just don't go deep enough. So that's why you want something like this that's long and thin that can go all the way down into the deep part of the hole. Alright, so that's the tools you're going to need for an Eagle Torch lighter.